Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Mishra and today my team and I are going to present a solution using technological innovation, keeping the diversity in mind while designing the solution. Moving on to the next slide. One of the biggest impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the information system and information technology organizations was quickly adopting new ways of working, keeping all limitations in mind. With the pandemic ongoing, the world of work may change forever. Work from home or working remotely is one of the biggest legacies of COVID-19. Introducing our solution to you, our website, Good to Go. Our website is a game changer. It enhances diversification and reduce work complex between employees of the organization. It is an easy to use, safe, multilingual platform which allows the employees to interact, work, and communicate within the organization using its functions and tools. Some of the advantages of the website are that it is easy to use and provides a safe and secure environment with end to end encryption. Exclusive user experiences based on intrusive minds focuses on diversifying, connecting the organization and getting the employees closer. It encourages professional cordial communications and precise scheduling with preference visualization. Moving on to the next slide, my teammate Aabhash is going to continue the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Aabhash Sapkota. So today I'm going to be talking about the security features. So securing our customer data is very essential for our team. So we have incorporated various safety measures to make sure that there is no malfunctions in the safety department. We have also implemented the use of HTTPS for secure communications and to prevent any interceptions from occurring while the content is in transit. We have implemented the end-to-end encryption so to make sure that the message travels all the way from the sender to the recipient in an encrypted form. A lot of people also use the same passwords for different platforms. So we also encourage our users to use smart passwords by combining letters and numbers and special characters in their passwords. We're going to use AWS in order to host our website as it's better in form of scalability, flexibility, and it's also cost efficient. So moving on to the next slide. It's our homepage. This is how it's going to look like. So the user has an option to sign in or register their account on our website. And we also have a multifunctional dashboard where the user can see various stuff such as plans and pricing so that they could purchase the product according to their needs. So in the next slide, my teammate Hannah is going to discuss further information.
Hi, my name is Hannah Koshy. So the Good to Go site aims to bring together a wide variety of diverse people. Through the registration onto this site, every potential user will have to go through a thorough check to verify if they are legitimate or not. Verification is done through the multi-factor authentication or single sign-on. Once they are verified, every question after the registration process is voluntary participation. No personal question that is asked is mandatory. Pre-COVID, there was a high social interaction, but ever since COVID began, there has been little to no social interaction. These questions are asked to better understand the user and group them accordingly. Once every part of the registration process is complete, the user becomes authenticated to use the account. So now at each login, the user will be asked to enter a code that is generated through the multi-factor authentication, and if it is through an organization, through the SSO. They will have to log in, and this is used to reduce the wrongful logins or breach of access. In case they forget their password or want to change it for privacy reasons, they will again have to go through the MFA process for security. The next slides will be spoken to you by my teammate Han.
Good to Go allows users to log on, schedule meeting, audio, video conferences, and the platform allows functions like controlling screen sharing, chatting, sharing file, and recording. It also let the user to set alarm or reminder. Going to next slide, please. We created Good to Go to support the diversity in the workplace. All of the user information will show up on the profile page. Their full name, legal name, religion, sexual references, ages, nationality, disability status, gender identity, and pronouns. It's completely voluntary. The difference of faith between people religion often make a conflict in the workplace. It's a tough topic to discuss in any circumstances. Job performance can be different from people. However, it doesn't mean that there will be differences in the ability to learn or solving the problem between genders. Implicit bias still exists in the workplace. Moving to the ages, the older people in the team have more experience, stranger work ethic than younger people. And the disability can be disadvantages for some people, but if they have their motivation is turned out to be their advantages. And another advantage of Good to Go platform is that user can have reminder about others' interests and not interests. For example, in this photo, Sam is a Christian and he committed to not working on Sunday. The reminder checkbox will appear to avoid asking Sam to pick up shift on Sunday. Also, spelling check and grammar check are on the website for user message to be more professional. Moving to the next slide. Manager can see their team member references, day to work. They can see the group and process of work performance. In this photo, only manager role can see who will attend on Sunday meeting. They also see that Iker doesn't prefer to work on Sunday, which means she or he will not be on Sunday meeting. And Nidhi will be present you the next information.
So moving on to this next slide, the data flow diagram shows the processes of user logon. When the user logs in to the website, their credential is cross-checked with the existing database, and if everything checks out, then the user is granted access to the site. If user does not have an account, they will be redirected to the registration page. The user is then shown the information about the meeting, profiles of the other people that are going to be attending the meeting after they have successfully logged on. Moving on to the next website, we conducted a feedback. We asked a couple of people to fill out our survey. The feedback was completely voluntary. We used a 5-pointer Likert scale in the Qualitrix survey. So far, we have received 5 responses. All of the responses have shown a positive attitude and a strong support to our study. Thus, we conclude that the study has positive impact in the organizational setting. Moving on to the next slide. My teammate Hannah is going to continue this presentation.
Good to Go is a very easy to use and interactive platform. This will help people to enjoy working remotely. Thank you very much for taking your time to hear our response, our proposal. We hope that this has spiked your interest. Thank you.